Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we're going to talk about mindfulness, which is becoming very, very popular. But what does Islam and Quran say about it? Contemplative meditative retreat, also known as itikaf, is deep-rooted in our religion. Prophet ﷺ went into itikaf not only in Ramadan, but he practiced it with his prayers all year round. Today, mindfulness-based cognitive therapy is one of the most popular treatment to deal with different types of mental distress. We were told 1400 years ago that concentrating on dhikr Allah in the present moment and asking for his forgiveness and showing gratitude for all the blessings that he has bestowed upon us is one of the greatest spiritual tools that we can ever possess. In Surah Araf, verse number 17, Shaitan told Allah, "Then I will come to them from front of them, from behind them, from their right, and from their left, and you will find most of them ungrateful to you." These are the attacking strategies of Shaitan. Front is associated with the future. He will make us so much obsessed with the future and so much engrossed in the material world that we will forget about the Creator and His blessings in the present moment. Whereas back is associated with the past. He will not let our thoughts come out of the past to the extent where we will be constantly thinking about some tragic event that took place. It's really like driving a car whilst looking in the rear view mirror. We all know the consequences of that. Shaitan will also attack us from our right through our righteous deeds. We may commit a pious act and it will be glorified in our eyes, and hence we might become arrogant. He will attack from the left. He will stop at nothing. Unlawful will seem lawful. Wrong will seem right. Haram will seem halal. Therefore, just being present is not enough. We have to be very, very mindful of the attacking strategies that are being used by our enemy. Therefore, we have to be very, very mindful and use contemplative, meditative techniques to keep ourselves from being distracted by Shaitan. And the answer to all our problems is showing utmost gratitude in every sphere of our life. That's a reminder for myself and all of you out there. Allah Hafiz.